Good morning. It's day three of Cancon, and we're going to take a walk through Quokka Hall, which is one of the other trading halls. Good day. Good day. How are you? Okay. Or if you'd like, you can talk a little bit about it because we'll be posting this on YouTube. We'll be posting this on YouTube, so okay.
So he doesn't make count.
That's okay. I'll do. Yeah, do a quick.
Just be careful. That one might get flagged.
No, that distance will be fine.
Then you can just put it on. Yeah, that's him for free.